Warning, don't adjust your set. This one's getting nerdy. Stick with me. We're going to talk about switches and how they work inside our guitars. With the Blade switch, this is a granddaddy of them all, the three-way switch. These are two switches in one. Any Blade switch typically works that way. There's a switch on this side as well as exactly the same thing on the other. We have these four contacts here and one common and three that we can select. If I attach my 34-year-old Fluke meter, you don't have to have one of these to do this, but having at least a multimeter, yours doesn't have to be ancient. You can see that we're making contact with this one. If I move the switch over one, it doesn't make contact here, but it makes it contact here. And then, of course, there. We can attach pickups to this switch and select between them all. All the switches basically work like patch cables on your pedal board. Whenever you flick to something, it makes the connection. It plugs in the patch cable. The other switch that we use is a five-way switch, and we find that in the Idris. The five-way switch and the three-way switch are identical with the exception of indentations on the back that allow the switch to stop. The four-way switch has 5 terminals on one side. We use this in the Ceres T in order to be able to wire it in such a way that we can get series parallel between the Tele bridge pickup and the P45. Toggle switches. Our current version here from Central Lab is a great switch. It's got a little stiffer feel. It's a little bit more robust of a switch. This is referred to a double pole, double throw switch in an on configuration. It's two switches, again, just like the Blade switches on either side. So this side is a switch and this side is a switch. In order to get an output or a common, we have to connect these two together. So if I do this and connect those two together, then flick down, I have that side, flick to the other, and then this side. Now, if I want to go in the middle, you would think that all of them would work. It doesn't work that way. I only get that and that. These two are not connected. Finally, another switch that we use is a push-push switch. In the Idris, we use this as a series parallel switch for the humbucker in an HSS. That takes the two coils and takes them from being run in series so that we run one coil into the other in parallel, where we will hit both coils at the same time and have an output at the same time. In the Voltur V2, we will use this to do a coil tap. It turns off half the pickup. When our switch is in the down position, we should be getting those. And on this side, when the switch is in the up position, we will get those two. So there you go. There's a bunch of different ways that we can get to the output jack. We're just trying to combine a bunch of different signals down to one. Just depends on what pickup configuration we put in and how we want to select them. That's how they work.